The Pope is not feeling so hot, and it's sparking worldwide concern today. He was seen coughing and blowing his nose during Ash Wednesday Mass and spoke in a hoarse voice. His illness hit as Italy becomes the epicenter in Europe of the coronavirus outbreak. Before exhibiting symptoms, the Pope sought to show his compassion, greeting the faithful, kissing children, and touching all these hands. Today, the Vatican said the Pope is resting and suffering only a slight indisposition. Coronavirus panic continues to grip the globe.